Alright guys, so I wanted to get out here, have some fun. Brought out 3 trucks today. We got the Revo, the Beast, and the Redcat. They're a little beefier than last time. Like, I'm a little more prepared than last time, so hopefully. Oh my god, that's some dusty stuff right there. Oh. Got those new RPM hubs for this, for the little Revo, so she's back up and running again. Still rocking the stock servo and, oh god, I got another tire coming apart, yeah. Stock servo, controller, motor. Damn, yeah, that's another tire coming apart. Oh, maybe not. Oh, alright, never mind, it's just... Oh, no, it is coming apart. That's fine, they're like 8 years old, I can't really bitch. There it is. Oh. Oh man. Like I was saying in my last video, definitely one of my favorite little trucks. It just takes so much abuse. Like the dog steps on it and shit. Like, and yeah, like, and this thing's been taking. Was that my camera? I heard beep beep beep. It might have been a birdie. But that's what I mean, like this Revo has been taking that shit for like 8 years. Because my old dog used to beat the crap out of this thing. Oh, just smash that piece of dirt apart. Oh. These old ass tires are getting bald, there's not much traction left on them. Oh, got it. Oh, damn it. I will say, the truck is starting to get a little sloppy. There we go. She's getting a little old and worn. She's starting to get a little sloppy. Like all the suspension, steering, all of it's getting pretty sloppy. I did have to replace the servo like right away when I bought the truck. If I remember correctly, the servo only lasted like 2 weeks. So I chalked it up as a fluke and put in like literally the exact same Traxxas stock servo. I just bought another one. And it's been the same one for like 6 or 8 years, however long I've owned this thing. The stock servo's still going. Like, Jesus. I don't even think it's an upgraded one. It's just whatever comes with this truck. I just had to replace it because the original one was a dud or something. Because yeah, within 2 weeks the motor just like, or something in the electrics died. It wouldn't move anymore. And yeah, this one's been going for like 6 years. Oh, here we go. Xena loves the little Revo. Oh, she's probably got some crap in her eye. It's really dusty, isn't it, Xena? Oh god, my eyes are all fogging up. I came out really early this morning because it's supposed to be like stupid hot today. So I figured I'll come out really early in the morning, and hopefully I won't die from like heat stroke or something. I mean, I'm exaggerating obviously, but it's supposed to be like 33 Celsius this afternoon or something. It's like, yeah, that's a little much. 33 Celsius is starting to get a little toasty for the trucks too. They start running a little warm and stuff. Plus, I think it's a holiday and nobody's supposed to be working today, so... Oh god, I don't want to be in that stuff too much. As cool as it probably looks on camera, that stuff's horrible for bearings. That really dusty stuff. Oh, got it. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh, that's good. What else can we piss around with? We might have to unplug it until the next next spot. Oh my god, that stuff is just like flour. Oh. Oh. Just wasn't giving it enough throttle. Never sure how hard to push these friggin' vape batteries. Oh, the battery pockets aren't even warm. So I'm running a 2S setup, running Samsung 25R cells. There's 4 of them. So basically it's getting 40 amps consistent and I don't know, maybe 80 burst or something, who knows. The burst rating isn't really that high, but that's 5,000 milliamps worth of 2S. Oh god. And the batteries are in a metal case, so they're probably a little safer than the LiPos. Just because they have the built-in, you know, metal cases. So as long as you can deal with the punch being a little weaker. Like, they're still pretty punchy. Oh. But it's not that, like, you know, double backflip type of torque. But I mean, she gets around. It's not as if I'm struggling to spin the tires or anything. Alright, I think we might take a break on this guy for a minute. Oh, nice. Fire up the redcat and see how it does. Because I want to save some juice for the big hills down there. But I really don't think the Revo's going to do too good down there. Just having a hard time climbing this stuff. Oh. Come on. Yeah, like that's what I mean. Like, a lot of this stuff is, I feel like it's too big for the Revo. That being said, it's doing pretty good. Oh, okay, Zena's just over there playing in the water. It's fine as long as I know where she is. Alright, yeah, I'll pull out the red cat for a bit and see how that does. Alright, so we're back. Yeah, let's see how the red cat takes it. What? What, for real? Like, seriously? I swear I fucking checked the shit before I left, but I didn't check this particular wheel. Are you fucking serious? Did I not have a lug nut on this one? I may need to steal a nut from the Revo. Huh. Well, that didn't last long. This is not a good trend for the red cat so far. Oh, wait, there's the wheel nut right there. Alright, back to what we're doing. Xena! Oh, there you are, okay. Because, yeah, I checked a bunch of the wheels before I left. It's like, yeah, they're all tight, everything's good. But I didn't check that one front left wheel. Oh. It's okay, I don't think the Revo will mind if borrow some parts temporarily. To check that again in a sec, see if it's coming loose. Look out. You can hear how plasticky those rear tires are. Oh, they do dig though. Still good? Yeah? Oh. Well, I can't get it to aim up the hill the way I want it to. Well, they're almost getting like no friggin' side traction from those rear tires. They're pushing me forward, but they're not helping with the steering. You can see, like, they're fairly aggressive little spikies, but they're hard plastic, so... Control is limited. Oh, really? Freaking high-centered it right at the top. Oh. Can't see it. Where is it? There it is. Oh, you bugger. Oh man, that low-Z controller is fucking annoying. I haven't got around to changing it yet. Oh, really? Come on. Just can't keep it pointed up the hill. Oh, now one of the fucking back wheels came off. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a hub broken. That's okay, I got more of those at home, but that's the end of that truck. Yeah. Just toss that in there so I don't lose the pin or anything. Yeah, those silicone earplugs do pretty good. It's driving around like it's got a friggin' dip locker in there. Oh well, that's it for the redcat. That's unfortunate. I didn't bring extra hubs or extra axle thingies. Motor's probably getting hot anyway. Yeah, it's getting hot. That motor really does not like 3S.